Hey everybody, I'm in a forest dominated by yellow poplar in the overstory, big yellow poplar, 24 plus inches in diameter. But in the understory, we have a lot of oaks, like scarlet oak and white oak. So I wanted to show you a little bit about that. So here are those large yellow poplars, like this one right there. But in the front, in the foreground, there is this scarlet oak. There's this white oak. And then all these others, white oaks and scarlet oaks, they all have established here. So what does it tell us? Well, it seems like that this forest might have originally been more of an oak dominated ecosystem, with more chestnut oak, more scarlet oak, and particularly more white oak in the canopy. So this was probably harvested, or used as pasture, but likely harvested for this property. And then it regenerated with yellow poplar because of all the light that was available. And yellow poplar grows really well, outcompetes the oaks, and makes it into the canopy. But now that those yellow poplars have been in the canopy for several decades and have reached large diameter, all these oaks are able to regenerate from surrounding seed sources in the chestnut oak forest and grow into advanced regeneration. So what we would like to do here is ideally open the canopy up a little bit, maybe remove some of the mid-story first, so that these oaks can again advance towards the canopy and not stall at this age, and become flat-topped like these have right there, and not make it into the canopy. I hope you liked the video. Let us know if you have any comments or questions below, and if you liked it, give us a thumbs up.